Welcome, welcome. Fun, oddly satisfying video. Thank you for joining us today. I'm sure you're going to love these life hack videos that we have to show you. And it's a little bit of everything. We've got our Coca-Cola hacks. They're always fun to watch. So kick back and relax and enjoy watching our video today. It'll help you with the hectic day that you might have had. And it's interesting to watch. Get lost in our fabulous videos. Please watch our playlist listed below when you get a chance today. You'll love watching some more of our life hacks, slime videos, and oddly satisfying. These are so fun. Please share and subscribe. And always do this with supervision at home. Don't try this on your own. Get some help. These are so fascinating. And they're easy. Wow, can make some slippers. Very cool. You have that pan that has so much grease stuck in it. I always do. Now we have a solution. Take some Coca-Cola. Let it fizz up, heat it up a little bit, and then pour down the drain. Look at that. Beautifully clean. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Going to the game? Need a straw? This will take a little time to practice, but eventually it might work. You'll be the star of the party. I always say use caution with these lighters. Like and share. Especially WD-40. It is flammable. Just be really careful. Can't get the top off. Oh, I wouldn't have thought of that. Perfect. Let's get a regular can. And be careful with the razor blade. Very careful. Those can jump when you least expect it. And it's sharp. I would suggest wearing gloves. Those edges are sharp. It is an aluminum can after all. Comment on your favorite part. Please use with caution. These are fun to watch though. Usually people that are more professionals with this type of equipment can pull this off. But everything's hot. We're going to cook a piece of meat. Especially this, be very careful. Check out my playlist of videos pinned in the comment section. I hope you have your feet up and you're relaxing. Let us do the work for you. These are very entertaining videos. These videos are for entertainment only. If you decide to do these hacks and experiments, please know that the risk will be at your own. Don't attempt these unless you're very confident that you are able to accomplish these tasks. Wow, I will definitely need to pass this along. Such a beautiful day out. I think I'll watch some Coca-Cola hacks. Please remember to subscribe. I've heard that soap is really good for mosquitoes. And Coca-Cola. Have that filmy film on your headlights? You can try this. We appreciate you being here with us today. And please check out our other videos for life hacks and Coca-Cola hacks. You'll be glad you did. We're not guaranteeing all of these results, but it sure is fun to try. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.